Hi, this is Vamsi. In this video, I am going to explain my database experiment 7. Here we have the question. First, triggers and cursors. The first trigger is a special kind that automatically executes when an then automatically execute to the database server. When a user tries to access data through DML commands like uh, insert, delete, update. It should show some raise some applications. Here in this first question, we need to raise application error if the student tries to enroll the same course for uh, more than one time. Here this is a spool file which I created. First we need to the trigger syntax is create or replace trigger. That means here I am giving trigger name as q1. Before or after that we need to insert on this on inquiry table. That means which I have given here. For here I am giving for each row. Here I am declaring, that means code table name, course code, percentage type. Here the syntax will start begin. Select course code into course from table name where course code equal to 10. If particular course code equal to 10, then the application should rise that already registered. After that the if syntax will be closed and the syntax will be ended. Then we have the second question. You need to create a trigger or delete the record in the enrollment table. Corresponding rows has been removed from the inquiry. For yeah, here I am inserting into the table with some, that means inserting into the table name with some values I am given here. Course then course code, my name, that last name, course code, then which university, city, then pin number, phone number, date of birth. Here it's showing this because here already we have registered. Here it's showing raising the application. Then for the second question, we need to create another trigger. Create a syntax for trigger is create or replace trigger name. Before or after we are doing some operations on table name. For each row, here the syntax will start declare begin. If deleting, then I am printing the output as dbms underscore output dot println. Row is deleted with course code. That means if we are giving one particular row, means the row will be deleted with the course code which we have given. Then after that, we need to create a trigger that will inform you to update the fees at the last day of your current year. Yeah, here we are creating another trigger, same create or replace trigger name. Before or which dml command, that means here updating on batch, that means a table name for each row. Then declare, here the syntax will begin. If updating, then it has to print you can update the fee at the last day of the current year only, as per the question we have given the syntax here. Here the if clause will close and the syntax will be ended. After that the trigger will be created. Then here we need to create a cursor to display the average fee paid for each course. Yeah, for if you want to check the trigger is updated or not, we have to give update that batch table, the table name set course fees is equals to 6000 where course code equal to 20. It will update where it will update the column where the course code equal to 20, and it update it as course fee is equal to 6000. And it will show the say syntax. It will show the output like this. You can update the fee at the last pin of the current year only. It will show the fee. Then create a cursor. Then here I am giving the creating cursor. Here it will start with declare count number, where I am giving as 9. Cursor c1 is, that means average. We have to find the average course fee from this table. Group by course code, that means uh, with group by class we have to update the average fees. Then we have here the syntax will begin and opening my cursor which given as cursor name c1, and fetching the data from the cursor name into count, and it will show the output as average average fee is it will show. And here we are closing the cursor, and the syntax will end here. It will show the output as average in the course fee is 5000, and the PL/SQL procedure is successfully completed, it will show. Then after that I am selecting the I want to, if you want to check that updated or not, means we have to give the select command, the select star from the table name. If you want to check that here, for course fee, here the 6000 is updated. For batch code, that means we are given as 101, it is updated. Then last question, create a cursor program which updates as follows. Yes, if enrollment is 2 course, give to discount of 2% from fee both of the courses. Yeah. uh, yeah. Declaring batch code enrollment code, that means giving it a table name, then batch code percentage type cursor c2, that means here I am giving cursor name as c2, is select batch code into from enrollment table, where roll number equal to the particular roll number we have giving. Here the updated the updation will be updated here. Then the cursor will begin, and the cursor will be opening here, the loop will start. Update batch set course fee equal to course fee minus 0.2, that means here they have asked 2% discount from course from the both phases, that means where batch code equal to b code. If the batch code and b code are equal, the updation will be processed there, and the cursor 2 will fetch the data into from batch code and exit after the cursor command cursor. Then it will show it will print the output as table is modified. And if you want to check that table is verified or updated or not, here after giving the end command, it will show the rows which which it is updated. Here after that, if you want to check that updated or not, then we have to give syntax using this command, select star from batch. Here it will show the output. Thank you.